Assalamualaikum class 7. Hope you all are fine. Today we are starting the chapter, that is chapter number 4, basic algebra and manipulation, which is there in the book 1 of Oxford New Syllabus. And I will give you brief description related to the topic, and also I attach some videos like you are taking the class in the classroom. Hope you will understand it. The topics which are covered in this class are algebraic expressions, simplifying and evaluating algebraic expression, lecture review videos. Some videos are there with the homework assignment also, and some links are attached in the last which help you to understand or revise the topic with the help of the YouTube videos and other videos. Hope you understand my videos and that these links also. Now we are starting our lecture. So class, I am giving you a little bit review about what is an algebraic expression is. As we all know that the algebraic expression, an expression that consists of algebraic expression and algebraic term, operations, symbols or brackets, is known as the algebraic expression. An algebraic expression contain coefficient, variable, constant and all. There is the difference between the expression and the equation is the is equals to sign. So class, simplifying and evaluating algebraic expression. First of all, we need to know what is the difference between the expression and the equation. The basic difference between the algebraic expression and algebraic equation is the is equals to sign. In the algebraic equation, we are balancing two things, that's why we add the sign of the is equals to. But in the expression, there is a variable and other constants are there, and we have to take the answer from that question. Okay, in the next two video slides, I attach the video about the lecture. You have to follow it carefully, and also you need to do the home task which I assign in these videos. Hope you understand it. Ready?
Assalamualaikum class 7. Today we are starting our chapter, that is chapter number 4. So class, you have to open your book, page number 90, exercise 4A of chapter number 4. Exercise 4A, chapter number 4, page number 90. So look at the book. Question number 1. Write down an algebraic expression for each of the following statements. Like these are the statements, you have to write the algebraic expression of it. You have to read it and change into algebraic expressions. Okay class? So the first statement is add 5 to the product of A and B. Product means multiplication. A and B is the product, means A and B multiply with each other, and add 5 in it means AB plus 5. The second statement is subtract 3 from cube of F. As we know, square means 2, cube means 3. So we have to subtract 3 from the cube of F, means F cube minus 3. The answer is F cube minus 3. Now after statement A and B, we are coming toward the statement F, not C, D, E. We are coming toward the statement that is F, because I am giving you the homework assignment for the part C, D and E. Okay. On the part F, twice the variable of P divided by the product of 5 cube. The product is of 5 cube, twice variable of P. P twice means 2P divided by 5 cube. The answer is 2P divided by 5 cube. Now class, look at question number 2. In question number 2, there is a question that given that x is equals to 6 and y is equals to minus 4, evaluate each of the following expressions. These are the expressions. We have to put the value of x and y in it and take the answer of it. So for the part 1, there is an expression that is 4x minus 7y. We have to find the answer of it. We have to put the value of x and the value of y. We are writing the question that is 4x by your own self. We are moving toward part B, that is 3x plus x divided by y minus y square. We have to put the value of x and y. For instead of x we are writing 6, instead of x we are writing 6, instead of y we are writing minus 4. Instead of y we are writing minus 4. 3 6 are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Minus plus minus is minus, the answer is 3 over 2. 4 square is 16 and the minus is constant, so the number is 18 minus 3 divided by 2 minus 16. The LCM of this number is 2 because only one denominator is there. So LCM is 2. When we are dividing 2 by 1, that is 2. 2 multiplied by 18 is 36. 3 is as it is. For this we have to divide 2 divided by 1. The answer is 2. 2 multiplied by 16 is equals to 32. You can do this like we are saying here is 1. 2 divided by 1, the answer is 2 multiplied by 18, that is 36. Here you can say 1. 2 divided by 1 is answer is 2 multiplied by 16, so the answer is 32. So class, after this 36 minus 33 minus 32. 36 minus 33 is 33 minus 32 divided by 2. The answer is 1 divided by 2. Hope you understand it. Now for the homework class, do exercise 4A, page number 90, question number 1, part C, D, E. A, B and F I am completing on the board. You have to do part C, D and E. And for the question number 2, you have to do the part B and C. Part A and part D is over here. You have to solve all these things in your notebook or the register. Hope you understand it. We will meet soon in the next lecture. Stay home, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.
Class, these are the links related to that topic which are available in YouTube channels, and these links are attached for you to understand more deeply about the topic if you have any problem related to this. So review it and also review the lecture which I uploaded with this and you have to do the home task also. Hope you understand it. We will meet soon with a new lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.